It kind of just, something happened. Are you good?
It just road traction control the whole time.
Oh, I know. I was saying, you can see it.
It just was on control.
It was going
the whole
crazy.
time. Yeah, it was, the whole time it was just spinning.
I knew he was going to try to jump me when he was trying to make sure that the rule said chases the race. And as soon as we pulled up, I went ahead and jumped him. I took off, my car went off fast, just like it's always been doing, but around 100 feet, it completely laid over, and he flew past me at the finish line. I didn't have a chance.
Go race.